Hello guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this which PAW Patrol or PAW filter on Instagram and how to use this filter. So to get this filter on Instagram, visit PAW Patrol. When you go to the profile, you will see the profile like this. You have to go to this filter gallery, the smiley button. This is the filter gallery, so go there. And if you can't see this filter gallery or this smiley button, what you can do, you can refresh the page by dragging the page down like this, and you should see this effect gallery, the smiley button. So go there, and the last one, this is the filter, which pop-up are you, tap on it, and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray, and you can tap on try to try the filter. And suppose you are not getting the filter like this, then what you can do, you can visit this website. Link to this website I'll give in the description box below. Here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Likewise. Okay, so that's it, you got the filter. So to use this filter, what you have to do, you have to press and hold the camera button. So let's do that. So that's it guys. Likewise, you can get this filter and use this filter on Instagram. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.